Watch you guys dance.
Are you gonna take a picture?
Recording you dancing.
Oh, good.
A picture of dancing isn't very exciting.
Oh.
Savannah, did you wipe out? Right onto Elmo? Are you gonna dance some more? Hey, can you do ballerina?
Yeah, do ballerina for us.
Yay, that's a little ballerina. Do another ballerina. One more ballerina, please.
Yay!
You're a wonderful ballerina. One more ballerina. On the chair. Good ballerina-ing.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, our song's over.
Hey, Savannah, can you come over here and tell me what a lion says?
Good job. What's your song?
Ballerina. That's good dancing.
Yeah, I like
I like that.
Hey, you want to put on a hat?
No.
Oh yeah.
No hat? We love your hat.
No.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh, mama hat? Okay.
Looks good on you. Savannah, ballerina.
You gonna play for us? That's good.
Good job.
Oh.
Where'd our music go? There it is.
Fire.
It's back. It's back. Oh, we gotta dance. Woohoo. Still know what your bucket had?
Yep.
Okay.
You two are excellent dancers. Now we know where she gets it.
Wait, spin around with me? Oh, no, we're not doing that. Okay.
Savannah, do ballerina.
I like her leaping. I like this.
I think she's galloping.
She's galloping, you're right. You're doing good galloping. I love it. Oh.
Alright, can you say bye? Savannah, can you say bye to the camera?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.